Lifting sun and moon. Poetic description is like you have the sun in one hand, the moon in the other hand, and you're lifting them up the sides of your body from a relaxed position all the way up to the chest position. And the shoulders are relaxed and the whole body is relaxed. And it's so relaxed that you may sway a little bit forward and back, a little bit up and down as you do it. So from the sides, holding sun and moon down here, raising up beside the chest, shoulders relaxed, elbows back, knees relaxed. Exhale. Breathing in as they float up. Breathing out as the hands float down. Lifting sun and moon. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Palms up. Palms down. Elbows back. Shoulders down. Shoulders relaxed. Knees relaxed. Whole body moving with emotion. Slightly moving. Inhale and exhale through the mouth. A gentle ha sound like you're fogging up a mirror. From the front. Close your eyes and relax more if you feel safe. Lifting sun and moon.